Hi, my name is Robin Whitworth. I'm a diamond coach with Beachbody, and I'm giving a little tour of Beachbody on Demand. So let me go back to when you are logged in to beachbodyondemand.com. It will look like this. When you're logged in, it'll have your stuff. There's my name. When you first come in, it will show you your workout programs that are available to you. Now, this one I have already bought. You probably don't have it in your library if you're watching it today in July of 2020. But you can scroll through it this way. There's all the nutrition. You'll see these are locked. I have these unlocked in a different email, but if you have purchased either the Portion Fix or To Be Mindset, these will be unlocked. So you can scroll through it that way. You can scroll through newest. You can scroll through it by name or by who did it. This tells you how long the classes go, how many minutes a day you'll be looking at, what kind of fitness level you want to be looking at. I mean, just everything's there. So when you click on a program, it has a sample workout here. Some of them will have something else up here, but whatever. All the new ones have a sample workout here that you can try to see if you like it. They'll always have like a getting started right guide, the basic guide to nutrition, and a calendar that tells you which workout to do in which order because they're all professionally designed. And so it'll help you to know like to do your upper body one day and your lower body another day, your core day. Like this is how professional trainers do their programs so that you don't have, you don't get injured and you get a well-rounded body. Lots of information about the program, your nutrition center. Anyway, here's your workout list. Takes you right through. In your program materials, it has all of those other things, but then it also gives you sample meal plans. Now, inside these meal plans, it's like a PDF that you can print out. But what's awesome is when you're on the computer, these are clickable recipes. Okay? Do you see how this is like the ones that are underlined are clickable? And the ones that are not, you can find within the program. If you have To Be Mindset, it's within your nutrition program. So that's where you can find the recipes for all of this. This is your grocery list. It is all done for you, and you can just print that out and away you go. Every program has program materials like this, sample stuff and everything else. If you go to BOD groups, this is where your coach has put together a group of people that are using Beachbody on Demand. This happens to be my group that I'm running right now. And so if you are one of my clients, you'll see this pop up when you have the BOD app. And it'll say you can join this. Now, I want to point out where you can find even more recipes and understanding about nutrition. So if I go to this nutrition section, you can understand the difference between these two programs. One is about emotional and more mindset. One is about seeing it visually with a clear cut rules. If you go to, let's see, I'm going to go back to, if I go back to the programs, and I go to the Nutrition Center. So in Mindset menu is recipes for the To Be Mindset way of eating, which has she has plate it guides. You make your plate up of certain types of foods. And all these recipes, you guys. Tons of recipes within these categories. Tons of recipes. And then if you go to, so that's in the Mindset menu. If you go to I don't know why this thing's doing that. The Fixate show. So this one's really fun because it has all these episodes that teach you. It's like a cooking show. But I mean, look at all these recipes. But if you go to recipes, you can like look at all of these different things. You can watch these. They're like shows. They show you how to make it and teach you gluten-free, paleo-friendly, vegan, like vegetarian. They teach you how and why these certain ingredients are used, what to swap out. I've learned a ton about ingredients from watching these. I mean, look at all these recipes. They're so good. So you can click on any of these and you can either watch the show or just print off the recipe that you want. If you go to resources, let's see. I don't know if recipe list. This is a huge recipe list, like hundreds upon hundreds. But what's cool is when you're on the computer, it's interactive. So it teaches you where to click to get back. Because, I mean, this is a huge, look at this, huge list of recipes, you guys. You cannot ever say that you can't find healthy recipes. They're all clickable. They're all in here. Look at this, 350 just within this section. So that's where you can find all of these amazing recipes, okay? Isn't this amazing? So it tells you the nutritional information. It tells you the containers if you're doing that portion fix, or you can just make these for your family and just know that they're healthy. I personally love that. Now, if you want to get Beachbody expert advice, you can go here and submit questions, and experts in the field will message you back. Now, on the blog feature, this has, I mean, everything. Telling you what's upcoming in Beachbody, telling you about our new fitness programs, and again, more recipes. But this one's really fun because you can come over here and actually say, well, I'm looking for a condiment that includes beef. Like, it can be more customizable based on what you're looking for. Look at all these recipes. You know what I mean? Under 5 ingredients, 45 fall recipes, summer recipes, like so many recipes. A lot of Shakeology recipes, all sorts of expert, really good information about, well, oh my goodness, weight loss, wellness, like all of this stuff, the science behind what we do, like just so much stuff. So if you click on those other ones, it takes you back to where we were. So that can help you find the recipes, find your program materials, find which workout program you want to do, where to find that stuff, how to know which workout to do, where to find your BOD group with your coach, and hopefully that helps you.